Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Sunny.
Sunny, how do you spell your name?
Sunny.
Sunny, where do you live?
I live in Southern Hanoi.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Very good. So, Sunny, look at these pictures. In my picture, there are two lions and they are walking. How about in your picture?
In the picture one, the lion
The lions are.
are sleeping.
In my picture, the boy is taking a photo.
In the picture one, the boy is eating lollipop.
In my picture, there are three rabbits.
In the picture one, there are two rabbits.
In my picture, the weather is cloudy.
In the picture one, the weather are sunny.
The weather is sunny.
The weather is sunny.
In my picture, the girl is wearing a pair of trousers.
The picture one, the girl long hair is skirt, short, and yellow suit.
Now let's talk about the year planner. Tell me about January. On January 7th,
7th of January in school start.
how about on 5th of June?
5th, 5th of June in
Poetry.
poetry competition.
How about November 9th?
9th of November we eat with grandma and grandpa.
How about December 12th?
12th of December is Flo and Ella's birthday.
When is Charlie's birthday?
Charlie's birthday is 8th of August.
Very good, thank you. Let's talk about the story, please.
Picture one, they are having a sport competition. Boy is British t-shirt, name is Ben. Boy is blue t-shirt in blue. In picture two, Ben is faster run than Bill. Bill is child. In picture three, Ken pouring the down. Bill is
Tired.
child.
Mm-hmm.
In picture four, Bill is the game.
The winner.
Winner game. Ben is angry.
Let's talk the odd one out here. What do you think?
Picture one different, but picture one
They're riding.
by. Picture two, picture three, picture four, the running.
Let's talk here.
Picture two the different, but picture one and three and four the fly.
They can fly, but dinosaur can't fly, right?
Yes.
Okay, here.
Picture one is different because picture one the
Clock.
Picture two the busy.
Mm-hmm.
Picture three the pizza. Picture four the middle.
Mirror. They're round. How about here?
Picture four the different because picture one, two, three the ring. Picture four in the food.
Okay, let's talk about your favorite animal. What's that?
My favorite animal is dolphin.
What color is the dolphin?
It's blue.
Where does it live?
Live the ocean, the sea.
Very good. Thank you, Sunny. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.